Welcome to today's tutorial where I will show you how to create giant sleigh bells for your holiday decor. Here you can see the completed bells on my mantle. I was inspired to make them after seeing these metal ones at a home decor marketplace close to where I live. I loved them, but I did not love the price. Here are the items you'll need to create the bells. Two mixing bowls from the Dollar Tree. They also have smaller ones that come in two for $1. An electric drill with a 1/4 inch bit and a wood block to save your surface. Ribbon of choice, mine was Walmart and JoAnn's, a pipe cleaner. Flat white spray paint, suitable for plastic, I used Rustoleum. Craft paint for the holes. A cardstock circle and template for the faux holes that you will be painting. A pencil, scissors, a paintbrush, clear E6000 glue and Nautical rope, also from the Dollar Tree. Make 2 pencil marks on the inside of your bowl where you wish the holes to go for your rope. Carefully use the drill to make holes. The holes will be rough but won't be seen in the end result. Don't worry, no matter how rough the holes look, as long as the rope will go through. Next it's time to spray paint them. Take it outside if possible, or else somewhere well ventilated. Make sure you cover all of the surface. It may take a few sprays of paint. Once completely spray painted, leave them to dry. While the paint is drying, you're going to make the funky bow. Thanks to Arlene for her ideas. The link will be in the description box. Cut your ribbon at 18 inches. You will need 4 of each pattern. We are going to make an 8-loop bow. Dovetail the ends of all 8 pieces of ribbon. Take the first piece of ribbon, fold in half and pinch at the centre. Twist the back tail of the ribbon so that the pattern is showing at the front. Take the next piece and repeat, twisting the tail the same way so that the pattern shows at the front, pinching them tightly in the centre. Take the first ribbon colour again, fold in half, but this time keep the tails pointing upwards. Twist the tail the same way so that the pattern is at front, stacking it under, and then again with the second colour ribbon. Ours is the grey one. Repeat these steps again and again so you end up with loop, loop, tail, tail, loop, loop, tail, tail. Pinch them tightly and secure them with a pipe cleaner, using your hand as resistance to keep them tight. And twist your pipe cleaner. It will look a jumbled mess, but don't worry, the secret is in the fluffing. Use your fingers inside the loops to open them and twist the tails so they all face upwards so that you can see the pattern. Keep fluffing until the bow looks good. You can always refluff at any point in time. Once the bowls are fully dry, you need to create your faux holes. I looked at a regular sleigh bell and created a simple template, just a circle with a stem and a rounded end. I made them in 3 sizes, but I'm just showing you the largest. I also cut a circle the same size as the top of my bowl. I folded it into 4ths so my alignment of the holes would be straight. I placed it on the top of the bowl, the one without the drilled holes, and went down from the folded points to make a pencil mark where I wanted to paint my faux holes. I did this for all 4 faux holes. Then, using the template, I lined up with the guide marks and traced the hole shape. As you can see, it's awkward for me to hold it for the camera, but you should get the idea. Use a steady hand and repeat this for all 4 faux holes. Now, with a very steady hand, you're going to fill in the faux hole with the black craft paint. Use a fine tip paintbrush and take your time. Paint the edge of the shape first and then fill in. I'm showing this in real time so that you can see that you need to go slowly and steadily so that you don't make a mistake. If you do go over the lines, you can wipe away the excess paint with a damp paper towel. It really is worth taking the time to go slowly on these faux holes, as it really is what makes the bells look realistic. Keep taking slow and steady strokes while you complete the filling in of the penciled template shape. As you can see, it's worth the while. Once you have painted all 4 faux holes, set them aside to dry. Now you're moving on to the top. Cut your nautical rope at 24 inches. As you can see, I have a helper in the background. That's Patches. Thread the rope through the holes so both ends are outside of the bowl. Even up the rope and then tie in a knot. This gives a loop to hang your bell. Pull the rope tight, but hold below the knot so that you are not pulling on the bowl, as you could potentially pull the whole thing through and break the top of the bowl. Now you're ready to add your funky bow. Trim the excess pipe cleaner from the bow. You will have to scrunch your bow slightly to get it through the rope, but don't worry, you can refluff at any point. Add a generous amount of E6000 glue between the two holes. Find the centre of your bow where it's attached with the pipe cleaner so that you can centre it between the two ropes. Feed it through the loop of the ropes. Once it's centred, start to firmly press it down to allow the glue to grab. While holding the bow down, you can start to refluff it, keeping a firm press down on the centre of the bow at all times while it gets its initial hold. Remember that even after the bow has been attached, you can continue to fluff and make the loops and tails look just how you want them to. You can see I keep arranging the rope, making sure that the knot is still central to the top of the bell. Now it's time to attach the top and the bottom of the bell together. Add E6000 to the edge of the bottom bowl. Place on the top bowl, lining up the rope with two of the faux holes. Reposition until both rims line up. Continue to refluff your bow, but remember you can tweak it at any time. Here you can see the difference between the painted and unpainted bowls. The flat white paint makes it look more professional in my opinion. If you would like to see a video of my mantle and Christmas tree, please let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to share. Thank you for watching and a very Merry Christmas to you all.